Being Irish and Christmas, what it means to me, I think, is people coming together, because as Irish we travel the world, and I always remember everyone coming back from different countries and all sitting around the table, and probably why I became a chef, because everything was around food, as I think in Ireland, everything's around food and maybe a few drinks. And for me, my mum used to make this all the time, a rice salad, but mandarins, like tinned mandarins, because the mandarins went around. And the juice she'd put in, and she'd put in some sweet corn, some parsley, and now she's updated with some pomegranate. So to me, it's a very light, sweet, textural salad made of rice. And I think my mum was a bit ahead of the curve on the whole salad thing. So to me, that salad is about celebration and it's about Christmas. Colette's famous rice salad.